eufy NVR security system. This is the S4 Max. What's special about the S4 Max is that you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of these PoE, bullet, and PTZ cameras. So you have 3 lenses on each camera, and they're all right here. So this is the unboxing, so we see everything. So you got 4 of these cameras. So it has the 2 lights here. These have 2 lights here. This one rotates 360 and up and down as well. So it's PTZ, pan, tilt, zoom. And this one has a 120-degree field of view, and you can adjust the angle like this manually. You adjust it and it stays fixed. So you have 1 lens here, and this one has 2 lenses. So the S4 Max kit comes with 4 of these, and these are the best cameras you can get for the eufy NVR security system. So if you see, the connection is very special. This one has your Ethernet, so it's power over Ethernet. So only need the 1 cable, and these are the cables. These are the Ethernet cable. So each camera, you will connect 1 cable. This cable is 59 feet, and they include 4 of them so that you can wire them up. But if you need longer cables, you can make your own cable, because these are standard PoE, power over Ethernet cable. So you have this that connects to here, and then the cable ultimately will connect to this. This is your NVR panel or NVR station. It has the hard drive inside. It comes with 2 terabytes of local storage. This kit comes with everything you need to get up and going and for storage, so you don't need any subscription or anything else. Each camera will connect to one of these slots, so it has up to 4 slots, but if you need to, you can expand it up to 16 cameras by adding a PoE switch. It has HDMI output, so you can monitor the cameras via video. It includes a mouse. And this mouse right here will connect to the USB port, so you can control the display and see the footage of each camera. You can also use a eufy security app to manage and view the footage as well. You also have audio out if you want to hear the audio from the footage, and there's a DC in, which is the power. This is your DC power, so it does have a power brick, and you will power the power brick with just AC power like you normally would. They do include your HDMI cable here, so you can connect it to your TV or monitor. So you have your mounting brackets for these, and the way they mount is going to go on like this. So the screws are kind of pre-attached, which is nice, so that way you can go ahead and screw them on, but when you unscrew them, they won't fall off. That's a nice feature. When you attach this cable right here, the cover over here, there's an opening for the cable to go through, which is really nice. So that way you can either have the cable go down if you're wiring cable exterior to walls like this, or if you're drilling a hole and running the cable through this way, then you can have the cable come straight out into your wall. Really nice design for the cable management system on these cameras. And of course, this thing, you can rotate this any degree you want. This one is fixed, so you figure out your angle, and that one stays fixed. So this 120-degree field of view stays fixed, whether you want to go up and down, any angle you want to figure out. And then this one rotates 360 degrees, pan, tilt, and zoom down here. So really nice cameras. You got 4 of these cameras. Oh, by the way, we should also mention that there is an optional DC power option if you want to, but for most use cases, all you would need is the power over Ethernet. And this is also a very cool connection, because if you notice over here, they have these type of fittings that allow you to have a waterproof seal. All right, our Ethernet cable is here. So the way this works is like in this diagram over here, and it provides the waterproofing for the Ethernet cable. So you see, this is the Ethernet cable, and again, 59 feet of this Ethernet cable, unwrap it, and this is the cable you get right here. And so it's just normal Ethernet at the ends, as you can see right here, is PoE, power over Ethernet standards. And when you connect the camera, this is the camera here. When you connect the camera to this, you're gonna want to route everything as is first. So you have the cap here. This is gonna go in this way, and this is gonna provide the seal. And then you have this little plastic thing, and this has an opening right here, so you're able to open it and slide it in on the cable like that. And then when all this connects together, it's going to provide a watertight seal like this. Oh, other way. This way. So this one goes in this way, like that. And then once you seal it, you see how this will provide a watertight seal. And then you'll close this right here. And then also have an O-ring here. So really nice installation and super watertight seal here. Wow, that's really good. And then again, this little grommet will sit right in here, provide you that watertight seal there. And when you tighten this, it will tighten the grommet. I like it. It's very, very well designed. Superb. I love it. See, when you tighten that in, now this is waterproof right there. Very nice. Okay, so that's how you install it. And then, yeah, mount the cameras up, mount this to the wall, and then slide this to the camera. And you can easily take the camera on and off this way, or you can even mount it the other way like this and have the wires up here. You can mount this upwards like that. Very nice. Either mount upward or in towards the wall like this. So the bracket provides both types of installation. And then you have some positioning stickers, which helps you figure out where to drill the holes. That's the opening for a PoE line. So that's kind of nice positioning stickers. You got 4 of them. And that's pretty much it. That is the kit. That is the eufy NVR security system, the S4 Max right here with 4 of these PoE, bullet, and PTZ cameras. Oh yeah.